Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can remove your card from your Amazon account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to remove card on your Amazon account, you'll have to log in into Amazon. So for that, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.amazon.com, and once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the profile page, and then on the profile page you need to tap on login in the top right. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. You need to tap on the profile icon located in the top right, and once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear, and over there you'll need to tap on manage payment method, and once you do that, you'll have this kind of interface. So as you tap on payment method, next interface you'll have a list of payment options that is linked to your Amazon account. So after that, you need to select the card that you want to delete. All you need to do is just tap on the card number or the account number, and once you do that, next interface will be directed to the details about the card information. So all you need to do is you need to tap on delete, and once again, in order to confirm, tap on delete, and then you've successfully removed card on your Amazon account. So that is how you can remove card on your Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.